Hello, I'm Stephen Hamilton. I'm a board-certified criminal defense attorney in Lubbock, Texas, and I practice in Lubbock and the surrounding areas. And today's video tip is, you've been arrested for a DWI and you are a Texas Tech student. What's another consequence that you might face? You know, in addition to all the other issues with DWI, if you're going to Texas Tech and Tech finds out about it, you might be subject to what we call the Student Judiciary Committee, which is basically a punishment or an issue dealing with Texas Tech. Now here's what I can tell you. If you're arrested on Texas Tech campus by the Texas Tech Police Department, you almost automatically are going to get a letter or an email referring you to the Judiciary Committee. If you're arrested by the Lubbock Police Department or the Department of Public Safety, it's questionable. Texas Tech right now in March of 2011 is actually in flux, and so what we're hearing is more and more of the cases that used to not go to the Judicial Committee, DWI arrest from a LPD, a Lubbock Police Department officer, or a DPS, Department of Public Safety officer, may actually end up at Texas Tech. If that happens to you, call me, because one of the real concerns is the Judiciary Committee wants you to come in, sit down, visit with them. They want to make sure that you're okay, that you don't have an alcohol problem, that there's not something that's going to affect your school or the credibility of Texas Tech. But one of the big concerns is if you go in and sit down with them and start telling them what happened, yes, I had too much to drink, yes, I shouldn't have been driving. If that's recorded or sent to the DA's office, that can be used against you. And so it's important that if you have this student judiciary hearing, that your lawyer goes with you. If I'm hired on a DWI case and my Texas Tech student has a Judiciary Committee hearing, I will schedule a time to go with him to that hearing, because I want to make sure that basically we try to deal with the things that my client needs to with Texas Tech, but we don't do anything to hurt the DWI case. If you make an admission that you were intoxicated, if the DA can prove it, they can use that against you in the criminal trial. That's it for today's video tip. If you have any questions at all about the Student Judiciary Committee at Texas Tech in a criminal case, a DWI, please call me. My office number, 794-0394. I'm Stephen Hamilton. Have a great day.